Hey guys, welcome back to Shrewd Entrepreneurs. My name is Dr. Maria Schwartz, and today we want to go through a really quick tutorial on how to update the background banner on your profile. This is really quick. It's going to take you a couple of minutes. The most difficult part is probably searching for the right image, but let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and you want to type in 1920 by 1080 wallpaper GIF. GIFs are images that can be moving or static. So they're the only ones that are similar to video, but aren't video. They're still considered images. And since Webtalk only allows images for their background picture, we want to use a moving GIF. It could be an animated GIF, it could be a static GIF, but ideally you want to use a GIF. So this is the hardest part, finding the image that you really like. I had this one on my profile before, so I'm going to show you guys how to install this one. The idea is to make sure that your image is actually 1920 by 1080. When you hover over any of these images, you will see the actual dimensions. If you click on this one, you'll see that this one is the same size, 1920 by 1080. If you click on some of these other ones, you'll see that there might be a different size image. Okay, so just make sure that whatever image you decide to put up on your profile, that it actually has the right dimensions, because otherwise it won't look right on your profile or won't let you edit. Once you found the image that you like, click on the image, go directly to the page where it's located, and right click on the image and save image. All right, it's going to ask you to download it here. All right, so we're gonna save it to the desktop, but this image is actually gonna save down here for me in the downloads folder, which is great. If this is something that you have on your computer as well that shows up on the bottom here, it'll make your life a lot easier. Now we're gonna go back to Webtalk, click Edit on your profile, and next to the banner image, click New Image. And all you have to do is either select the files or simply drag and drop it from the downloads folder. It's gonna take a second to upload. And once it's ready, you can say submit. Now you have an option to reposition this. So if you don't like the way this looks, you can kind of move it around, right? But if you like the way it looks, save the position and click done. And you're all set. This is my lesson for today. If you guys like this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel below. And thank you so much for joining me today and watching. I will see you next time.